fourth and final. Fuck all this. I'm tired of shit. Whew. Oh God. It's crazy. I shouldn't be doing this. I worked out this weekend. But I had a ribeye steak yesterday. Thanks for the love, the likes, whatever else is going on in there. I'm not too keen at zooming in on right now. I had a ribeye yesterday. It was 2 pounds. I know a good pound of that was the bone. I'm just getting all that fat off me. All right, more. Fourth lap, baby. Fourth. Beautiful day out. If you haven't been outside yet, come out here and get you some of this sunlight, baby. It's complimentary. If I were an Englishman, I'd say complimentary. Yo, more comical is men wearing waist trainers. OMFG! Nice short turn.
with you, please.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey.
The police over here. There's a box over here. It's over here in the International Park. He's running wild. Can I just walk with you, please?
Yeah.
The International Park coming in off of 138. There's a
I was like, it's gonna be a little bit closer to me.
well, the trails are good.
Yeah.
But you, as a female, you still have to be careful
Yeah.
because something almost happened on this trail.
True. Really?
Me, yeah. Because like that was when they first built
Morning.
Good morning. When they first built that bridge, and I tried it a couple times. It's beautiful in there.
Which one? The surf?
Going over the
roundabout?
water. Yeah. And so I came up out of the trail, was on the street cart coming back this direction, and there was this lady with her dog, this white lady looking up at me. And I'm like, why is she looking so hard? Her and her dog.
Right.
And
You
sure
see how they
enough,
train their animals?
I had got to part of the trail and I looked behind me. Maybe it was instinct, but this man was right up on me.
Oh, bro.
Yes. And then there was another man doing this, looking down, and, about 15 feet away from him. So, it's a shame. But we can't live in fear.
Right, yeah, we can't.
Prayer.
That is true. I try to just move as fearless as possible.
Yeah.
Just so I can get stuff done.
Absolutely. It keeps
Fear
you
is
going.
stagnating, right? It's like, yo.
And age-wise, it keeps you going.
Right.
It keeps you going. Because once you start slowing down, it almost seems like other ailments take over.
Right. That's true, come on. It is true. I started trying to tell my mom, like, look, I know you want she want to lose weight. I'm like, don't get into this thing trying to lose weight. Do it for your health.
Do it for you.
Do it for your overall state so your brain can function. You don't have to slip into Alzheimer's like a lot of our other relatives.